Freelancers and small agencies often fall into a costly routine, paying steep monthly fees for bloated corporate CRMs packed with features they never use. Beyond the financial drain, these platforms introduce severe operational risks. Using a primary email address for automated outreach creates a single point of failure. If a batch of leads goes cold, the reputation of your personal root domain is at risk. There is a highly effective alternative. You can engineer a completely headless, fully automated email CRM by wiring together cheap serverless tools, effectively bypassing the corporate gatekeepers. Building and owning your own infrastructure allows you to exit the subscription cycle and reclaim absolute control over your sales pipeline. This diagram maps out the custom stack. We use Supabase to act as the database memory, Netlify provides the serverless computing muscle, and Resend handles the communication delivery. When these three independent tools are wired together, they replace the functionality of an expensive, all-in-one platform. This headless architecture provides enterprise-grade automation without the associated bloat, high costs, or platform lock-in. First, we construct the memory. Inside Supabase, we define specific database tables to hold our contacts, our email threads, and our segmentation tags. Because this database lives online, it requires strict protection. We apply custom SQL patches to enforce row-level security, ensuring our client data remains walled off from public access. Dynamic segment views then filter that data. The system organizes incoming leads into discrete pipelines based on assigned tags like software or web design. Combining hardened database security with dynamic segment views transforms a static spreadsheet into an intelligent, secure routing engine. Next, we install the computing muscle. Netlify runs scheduled functions, automated daily alarms, that query our Supabase segments every morning to determine exactly which contacts require a follow-up. Once a target is identified, the code constructs the payload. It assembles personalized HTML email templates populated with custom copy and high-quality hero images generated by AI. This diagram illustrates our defensive strategy. We push automated emails through a dedicated Resend subdomain, the satellite sphere you see here, to completely isolate and protect our primary inbox. Pairing a reliable daily cron schedule with an isolated sending subdomain allows you to continuously scale your outbound communication safely. Now, the system needs to listen. When a lead replies to an automated email, their message hits the Resend server. Resend immediately triggers an inbound webhook. This acts like a digital tripwire, firing the raw reply data straight back into our Netlify serverless functions. This loop tracks the complete feedback cycle. Netlify parses the webhook payload, logs the message directly into Supabase, and updates the lead's pipeline status to indicate they responded. This read and write cycle is the defining mechanism. It turns a simple outbound email blaster into a truly autonomous, self-updating system. The custom rig functions as a sellable digital asset, a solution that addresses these same bloat issues for other independent workers. This diagram shows the packaging structure. We take the raw SQL schemas and the serverless functions and consolidate them into a clean, deployable starter kit repository named email-crm-pro. To assist the buyer, we include detailed deployment documentation, environment variable templates, and a library of pre-written AI prompts for their copy and images. Rigorous documentation and a clean repository convert your personal engineering project into a standalone digital product. To launch, you deploy the finalized kit onto a platform like Gumroad for a single one-time fee of $149. The marketing angle is pragmatic. Buyers are paying to bypass the 50 hours of engineering and testing required to build this logic from scratch. A fixed price point of under $200 offers immediate contrast to the thousands of dollars a buyer would otherwise lose to annual corporate software subscriptions. Mastering headless architecture provides a personal exit from the subscription economy and creates a template you can sell to others.